Hey Bladers, which Beyblade is more worth it? A Phoenix from Takara Tomy or from Hasbro's latest Beyblade Burst Surge series? Let's find out.
3, 2, 1, Beyblade Royale!
The revived Phoenix 8 Meteor Accel is an attack type Beyblade. On the other hand, the Perfect Phoenix P4 is a defense type. Both of these Beyblades feature a double energy layer system, where the Revive armor detaches from the center. The Revive Phoenix also has a disc frame around the forge disc, and it is much more aggressive. In this episode, we'll be covering price, weight, and spin. Please like and share this video, and remember to subscribe. First, let's talk price. How expensive are they? Okay, for the Perfect Phoenix P4, as part of Hasbro's latest Beyblade Burst Surge series, it comes in a 2-pack on Amazon, bundled with the Myth Evo Dragon D5 for a price of $14.45 USD. Now, for the Revive Phoenix 8 Meteor Accel. Searching around, it doesn't seem to be that popular at the moment. On eBay, it is going for $39.95 USD with free shipping. There are several other listings as well. One for as low as $21.90 USD, but this appears to be part of the Random Booster Pack. But guess what, guys? I was able to find this Random Booster Pack for cheaper on Amazon, $10.99 USD. And this is where I got the Revive Phoenix 8 Meteor Accel. You have about a 1 in 7 chance of getting it, but there are a bunch of other cool Beyblades as part of this Random Booster Pack. For the price category, the Perfect Phoenix P4 wins. Now, let's talk weight and cover construction of the Beyblades. Both of these Beyblades are pretty cool, but let's see how much they weigh. Let's take a look at Revive Phoenix 8 Meteor Accel. Comes in about 53 grams. Seems pretty heavy. Now let's take a look at Perfect Phoenix P4. This one feels a little bit lighter. Looks like it weighs about 10 grams less at 43. Now let's take these guys apart. Starting with the tip. 5 grams for the Revive Phoenix. This tip does look much more aggressive with the A frame. 7 grams for the Perfect Phoenix, which is a little bit heavier. It does seem to have that balanced support. Now on to the forge disc. About 24 grams with the disc frame. 23 grams for the, or 24 grams, wait, 24 for the Perfect Phoenix. Right about the same. Now let's move on to the energy layers. Revive Phoenix coming in at 23 grams. 12 grams for the Perfect Phoenix. Wow, that's a big difference. Revive Phoenix definitely seems heavier with those metal accents. Now for the Revive armor at 9 grams. It does have a metal accent. The energy layer at 14 grams. You can see that metal accent around the edges. The Revive armor doesn't have these metal accents. 5 grams for the Perfect Phoenix. 7 grams for the Perfect Phoenix. Wow, that's much lighter. So you can see that metal accent provides good weight distribution for it to spin faster. So it definitely feels much more robust. and stronger. I wonder who will win this battle. Just a quick recap. You can see the weight distribution across each of these Beyblade layers. And Revive Phoenix 8 Meteor Accel takes the weight category. And now for our last category, Spin, to test the stamina of each bay. Using about equal force for each launch, I launched each Beyblade 3 times each, just to see how long they would spin, and to measure the stamina of the Beyblade. You can see on the left there that the Revive Phoenix 8 Meteor Accel is moving a lot more than the Perfect Phoenix. This is due to its performance tip. It is much more aggressive in the way it moves as an attack type Beyblade. On the right, the Perfect Phoenix is staying relatively in position as a defense type Beyblade. It's starting to wobble a bit. Let's just watch to see what happens next. And the Revive Phoenix 8 Meteor Accel comes in to win the spin category. So let's do a quick recap. The Perfect Phoenix P4 comes in a 2-pack on Amazon for $14.49. If you want to test your luck, you can try to get the Random Booster Pack for the Revive Phoenix that is $10.99 from Takara Tomy on Amazon as well. The Revive Phoenix definitely feels stronger and weighs more across all the layers, and this led it to spin the longest in a stamina test. Who is the Worth It winner of this Beyblade series? Is it the Revive Phoenix 8 Meteor Accel, or is it the Perfect Phoenix P4? One from Takara Tomy, or the one from Hasbro? Definitely is a tough choice, guys. Let's see who wins this battle. Up. Oh, it's the Revive Phoenix 8 Meteor Accel! So, which Beyblade is more worth it? It definitely is the Revive Phoenix 8 Meteor Accel. It's stronger, it spins the longest, it's worth a chance at getting the booster pack, or you can just buy it straight up from eBay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or share this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Let it rip!